close, my tiny dove, wrapped in dreams and endless love. The world is quiet, soft and still. Time to rest my heart, my will. Hush by my baby dear. Dreams are calling soft and near. Close your eyes, the night will sing of gentle winds and angel wings. The stars above will light your way, guiding dreams till break of day. Moonlight whispers calm and sweet, cradles you in love's heartbeat. Ooh, hush by my baby dear. Dreams are calling soft and near. Close your eyes, the night will sing of gentle winds and angel wings. Dream of fields where daisies grow. Dream of streams with a gentle flow. Bunnies hopping soft and white, filling dreams with pure delight. In my arms you're snug and warm, safe and sound from any storm.